In a breaking update, we're brewing discontent amongst the Aam Aadmi Party cadre in Jalandhar unit took an ugly turn on Friday when the party's Punjab Affairs co-in-charge in the Delhi legislature, Raghav Chadha, was shown black flags over ticket allocation for the upcoming Punjab Assembly polls. We'll be going across to Amandeep to give us more details because he was to address a press briefing there, Amandeep. And thereafter, we are looking at this spat that happened within his own party workers over ticket distribution.
Well, Amita, a complete mess was visible during the press conference of Aam Aadmi Party for the ticket distribution. Supporters of one group had already with the Raghav Chadha and supporters of another group there demanding the ticket for his own candidate, and in fact Raghav Chadha and other leaders remain mum, and both the supporters slashed into each other and started manhandling even. There are a lot of clash happened at Jalandhar, and even the Aam Aadmi Party after this in a lot of mess and complicated situations just because they have already allotted so many tickets to Punjab. 7 lists of candidates have already been out, and now the anger is coming up just because Aam Aadmi Party has made so many promises with the candidates that their ticket is being confirmed by the Aam Aadmi Party when they have newly joined. And in fact now when the ticket has not been announced and candidates are someone else, so anger against the Aam Aadmi Party is coming up, and in fact they have quoted that Aam Aadmi Party is now falsely promising with Punjab. This is the original face of the Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact the press conference and the clash that was reported in Jalandhar, it was clearly visible that two sections of Aam Aadmi Party manhandled a scuffle between each other for the distribution of tickets just because the 7th list has already been out of the Aam Aadmi Party. Out of 117 seats, more than 80 seats has been announced. And in fact, now it is the situation for the Aam Aadmi Party is that they have to face the anger of the people whose ticket has been denied. Their supporters are now reducing their support to Aam Aadmi Party, and anger is coming up against Aam Aadmi Party. So somewhere down the line, the Aam Aadmi Party is now...
Well, Amandeep, how exactly is the Aam Aadmi Party reacting to these? Because this was a complete mess of a situation. Their own party workers and cadres were seen pushing each other, beating each other at the Jalandhar Press Club. There were reports of fist fights amongst the protesters and the workers there over ticket distribution. What does Arvind Kejriwal has to say over this?
Well, all the senior leaders, Amita, remain mum on this situation. No statement has been
mum on this situation. No statement has been issued just because now they are planning how to handle and how to control this damage. So they are just discussing this situation, and even Bhagwant Mann remained silent on this entire issue that the scuffle happened, people manhandled just because this is between the workers of one candidate and workers of other candidate. A clash was a massive setback to Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, and it was a visible clash and all in public domain. In fact, when he held a press conference, Raghav Chadha just managed to flee from the spot without releasing any kind of statement. Later on, the local leader says that everything is under control. There is some kind of miscommunication and some kind of confusion among the workers, so that is the reason they have clashed with each other. But senior leadership is aware of this, that now the anger is rising up in Punjab just because of the ticket distributions. Even the people are saying that the tickets has not been allotted to the according to the winnability of the candidates. They have selected their candidates by their own option. No ground research has been done before.
So it seems that the situation went completely out of control, and these are the Aam Aadmi Party workers, the cadres that seems to be fighting amongst themselves over the ticket allocation, and the situation seemingly going out of hand there, where Raghav Chadha, the Delhi legislator, was supposed to be present there for a press briefing. Amandeep, for the moment, thank you very much. Moving on.